Hey everybody, and welcome back to Toya Loves Glam. It has been a very long time since I've done a video, so I want to first of all welcome you guys back. I want to let you guys know that 2021 will be a different year, an amazing year for us. So that's going to start by us setting goals and plans in place to make this a great year. So before I get into any of the new content that I want to work on for this page, I thought that it was very necessary for us to get our finances together first. Let's create a budget. Let's simplify our lives so that way when we are doing the hauls and we're doing the different things that we want to do with our money, we know exactly where the money's going. We know exactly where the money's coming from, and we've successfully planned for it. So, if you're interested, like me, in getting your whole life together, that means coins and all, don't forget to like this video to let me know that you want to see more content like this. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, send a friend over to subscribe to the channel, and let's just build this community back up and go from here. So, again, the form today that I'm going to reference is this quick start budget. A long time ago, when I first started getting my home in order and getting my finances together, I went through the Financial Peace University with Dave Ramsey. So if you're not familiar with Dave Ramsey, I will link his information in the description box below. But this is a very great place for you to start when it comes to solidifying yourself as an adult, meaning making your plans, making a savings goal, having provisions set in place so that you know your money won't sneak up on you. So anyway, his whole outline, his total money makeover books are great to follow. Now, while I don't necessarily follow him word for word because there are certain things that he doesn't believe in, such as credit cards and things like that. So I follow him generally. I think that he has wonderful ideas about making your life simplistic and creating your budget. So this is a great place to start. But in another series of budgeting and how to earn points on your shopping carts and those types of things, I want us to be knowledgeable in all areas of our finances. So again, that's going to be at a later time. But going on to this budget, it's very simple. This form is only one page. This is just the outline, but it, like it says, it shows you how your money, how much money you have every month needed to cover all of your expenses. Okay, a lot of people don't know how much money is actually coming out of their household, and it's the best way to go ahead and write down what you're spending, what the costs totals are. So you would put that in the totals, but the total box, and add it all together so that you know that if what you're earning covers exactly what you are spending. Okay. So just for the sake of the video, I based this off of a $30,000 budget. And this is for a pretend family of four. So in that case, if you are I'll say a Christian or a believer, when it comes to tithes or charity, it's supposed to be 10% of your total income. So if you earn $30,000 a year, 10% of that 30,000, of course, is 3,000 for the year. And if you break that up by each month, that's $250 per month. Okay, so that's how I got this number. For groceries, we put $400 here. That is just a general rule of thumb. The best way to plan for your food, which includes eating out, you guys, is to budget $100 per month per the number of people in your household. Okay, so if this were only 3 people in the house, it would be $300. But for this pretend family, it's 400. Your savings goal, Dave does talk about baby steps, and the very first baby step in his plan is to save $1,000. So if you're trying to save $1,000, one of the quickest ways would be to just put we'll say $100 to the side for this. Okay. So this way, by 10 months from now, which is October, you'll have your $1,000 goal. Over here for clothes, this is just a generalized number. You could be in the grocery store or you could be in Target. I know that's some of our favorite stores, but if you go in Target, it's very easy for you to walk across a pair of shoes or a shirt or something that you like. So go ahead and plan for it. And just for the sake of the video, I'll go ahead and put let's say $25 for the adults and 25 for children. I know that it's not many places you can go for $25, but again, this is just for the sake of the video. When it comes to your rent or your mortgage, for this little family, we'll say their rent is $700. They don't have a second mortgage or real estate taxes if they're living in, let's say, an apartment. Repairs should be on the renters. So let's say renters insurance is right at $25. Okay, so for this total, you're looking at $725. Car payment. Let's just put $300 and let's pretend like the other car is paid for. So for gas and oil, we'll say that that's right at $100 a month. And your insurance is $125. Okay. So that's right at $525. Now, for your utilities, of course, these can all vary. So just for the sake of keeping it simple, we'll say $50 for cable, $50 for internet, $50 for the phone. I know that electricity should be a little more. So garbage, let's say 25. Water, 125. So you're at 1, 2, 3. Electricity, 50. Gas, sorry, and electricity, 50. Okay. So, and with your life insurance, if you guys don't have insurance through your employer, we can just put, let's just put $100 here. Oh, sorry. Let's put $100 for your health insurance. $25 for life insurance, people. Let's please, 2021, let's make sure that we have life insurance. And we'll say $25 for entertainment because we're all in quarantine and we can't go anywhere anyway. So finding a way to entertain ourselves throughout all of this. All right. So once you total everything up, this is where everything will go. So you have your 150, your 400, your 725, your 525, your 50 here, your 100 here, your 400 here, and your 250 here. Sorry. We'll do 150 here to do 5%. We're saving money, so we're going to start out with 5%. All right. So that gives you right at your $2,500 for the month. All right. So it's simple as that. Um, if you guys have any questions about doing a quick start budget, please feel free to leave me a comment down below. Let me know that you guys are working on your funds, and we're going to work on this as well as our savings goals together. So guys, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. All right, bye-bye.